Standard 6, Subject Sanskrit, Chapter 2. Hello students, today we will learn our Chapter 2, Akashaha Patati. Chapter 2, Akashaha Patati. Akashaha means the sky. Patati it means is falling. The sky is falling. This story of the frightened rabbit shows how a coward will create fear where there is nothing and can scare others as well. Then, when he realized that his fear was wrong, he feels ashamed and become a laughing stock for all. Okay? Okay, student. Now we will start with our chapter Akashaha Patati. Ekam vanam asti. Ekam vanam asti means there is a forest. Vanam means forest. There is a forest. Tatra shashakah nivasati. Tatra shashakah nivasati. Shashakah means rabbit. Nivasati means lives. A rabbit lives there. A rabbit lives there. Shashakah shayanam karoti. Shashakah shayanam karoti. Shayanam it means sleeping. Shashakah means rabbit. The rabbit is sleeping. Here are the picture. The rabbit is sleeping. Ekam vanam asati tatra shashakah nivasati shashakah shayanam karoti. Means there is a forest. A rabbit lives there. The rabbit is sleeping. The rabbit is sleeping under a tree. Okay. Now, Parna patati. Paranam patati. Paranam means a leaf. Leaf. Paranam patati. Patati it means falls. Falling down or falls. Paranam patati it means a leaf falls. A leaf falls on rabbit. Shashakah bhitah bhavati. Shashakah bhitah bhavati. Bhitah means frightened, scared. Right? Shashakah bhitah bhavati. The rabbit is frightened. A leaf falls on rabbit and rabbit is frightened. Suddenly the leaf falls on rabbit and rabbit is frightened. Shashakah dhavati. Shashakah dhavati. Dhavati it means runs. Shashakah dhavati. The rabbit runs. The rabbit runs away. Shrugalah agachati. Shrugalah agachati. Shrugalah it means fox. A fox. Agachati it means comes. Comes there means Shrugalah agachati it means a fox comes there. Shashakah vadati. Shashakah vadati. Vadati it means says or sing. Shashakah vadati it means the rabbit says. Rabbit says. Says to whom? Shrugalah it means fox. Fox comes there, na? So rabbit says to fox. Shrugala patra. Shrugala patra dhavatu akashaha patati. Shrugala, Bhatra. Bhrata means brother. It means brother. Brother fox. Dhavatu. It means run. Run. Akashaha patati. The sky is falling. Rabbit says, Brother fox, run. The sky is falling. Shashakah dhavati. Shashakah dhavati. The rabbit runs. The rabbit runs. Shrugalah anudhavati. Shrugalah anudhavati. Shrugalah means fox. And anudhavati, it means running behind. The fox is running behind. The rabbit runs and the fox is running behind the rabbit. Shashakah vadati. Shrugal pratah dhavatu akashah patati. Shashakah dhavati. Shrugalah anudhavati. It means the rabbit says, Brother fox, run. The sky is falling. The rabbit runs and the fox is running behind. Vanara agachati. Vanaraha agachati. Vanaraha means a monkey. Monkey. Agachati. It means is coming. Vanaraha agachati. It means a monkey is coming. Shashakah vadati. Shashakah vadati means the rabbit says. Rabbit says to the monkey. Vanar pratah. Vanar pratah. Dhavatu. Akashah patati. Vanar pratah. Dhavatu. Akashah patati. Brother monkey, run. The sky is falling. Rabbit scared all the animals one by one. Vanar agachati. Shashakah vadati. Vanar bhratah dhavatu. Akashah patati. A monkey is coming. The rabbit says, Brother monkey, run. The sky is falling. Now on our next page. Bhitaha shashakah dhavati. Bhitaha, it means the frightened. Frightened rabbit. Shashakah means rabbit. Frightened rabbit or scared rabbit. Frightened rabbit runs. Dhavati means runs. The frightened rabbit runs. Shrugalah anudhavati. Shrugalah anudhavati. The fox is running behind. Vanarah api anudhavati. Vanarah api anudhavati. It means Vanar means the monkey. The monkey. Api it means also. Monkey also is running behind. Anudhavati it means is running behind. So, Bhitaha shashakah dhavati. Shrugalah anudhavati. Vanarah api anudhavati. It means the frightened rabbit runs. The fox is running behind and the monkey is also running behind. Then Siha agachati. Siha agachati. Siha means the lion. Agachati means is coming. The lion is coming. Siha agachati. A lion is coming. Siha vadati. Siha vadati. Vadati means says. The lion says. Shashakah किमर्थं धावति? किमर्थं धावति? सिंहः वदति, शशकः किमर्थं धावति? किमर्थं means why. Why are you running? Dhavati means running. The lion says, why are you running? Sihaha agacchati. Sihaha vadati. Shashaka kimartham dhavati. A lion is coming. The lion says, why are you running? Why are you running? Shashakaha vadati. Shashakaha vadati. Siha bhrataha धावतु आकाशः पतति सिंह प्रातः धावतु आकाशः पतति शशकः वदति it means rabbit says सिंह प्रातः प्रातः means brother lion run the sky is falling rabbit says brother lion run, the sky is falling. Sihaha vadati. The lion says, Akashaha patati va? The sky is falling. Is the sky falling? Kutra patati. Kutra patati. Kutra means where. Where is it falling? Lion says, where is it falling? Shashaka vadati. Siha pratah dhavatu akashah patati. Siha vadati. Akashah patati va? Kutra patati. The rabbit says, brother lion, run, the sky is falling. The lion says, is the sky falling? Where is it falling? Where is it falling? Lion asked to rabbit. Shashakah gacchati. Shashakah gacchati. The rabbit is going. Gacchati means going. The rabbit is going. Sihaha api sah gacchati. Sihaha api sah gacchati. Api it means also. Saha it means together. And going. Gacchati it means going. The lion is also going together. The rabbit is going and the lion is also going with rabbit. Shashakaha vruksha samipam agacchati. Shashakaha vruksha samipam. Vruksha samipam it means near the tree. Vruksha means tree and samipam it means near. Near the tree. Agacchati it means coming. The rabbit is coming near the tree. Which tree? At that tree where it was slapped. Okay. Shashakaha vruksha samipam agacchati. It means the rabbit is coming near the tree. Sihaha vadati. Sihaha vadati. The lion says, Kutra patati akashaha. Kutra patati akashaha. It means, where is the sky falling? Lion asked, where is the sky falling? Shashakaha kimapi na vadati. Shashakaha kimapi na vadati. It means the rabbit kimapi. It means does not. Does not. Vadati. It means says. Shashakaha kimapi na vadati. It means the rabbit does not says anything. Sihaha hasati. The lion laughs. Hasati it means laughs. The lion laughs. The rabbit does not say anything and the lion laughs. The rabbit is coming near the tree. The lion says, "Where is the sky falling?" The rabbit does not say anything. The lion laughs. Shashakah palayanam karoti. Shashakah palayanam karoti. It means the rabbit is running away. Palayanam means running away. Shashakah palayanam karoti. It means the rabbit running away. So, okay students, this is our story of scared rabbit. He is frightened and shows how a coward will create fear where there is nothing. And then he realized his mistake or his fear was wrong. Then at last he feels ashamed and becomes a laughing stock for all. Now have a look on exercises. Question number 1 is pronounce the following words orally. Pronounce the following words orally. Shashakah, Bhitah, Agachati, Vanar Bhrata, Anugachati, Vriksha Samipam. Vriksha Samipam. Okay. Now the second question is look at the picture in column A and their names in column B. Then join them properly. There are given two columns, column A and column B. Look at the picture and join their name. First picture is of rabbit. Rabbit means Sinhaha, Shrugalaha, Vrikshaha, Shashakaha or Vanaraha. Which is the correct answer? Shashakaha. Okay. Now look at the pictures and join them with their names. First is picture of rabbit. And rabbit means Shashakaha. So we have to join them with their names. Shashaka, right? Now the second one is picture of monkey. Monkey means Vanaraha. So we have to join with Vanar. Then the third picture of the lion. The lion means Sinhaha. Join it with Sinhaha. The next picture is of the fox. Fox means Shrugalaha. Shrugalaha. Okay. And the last one is picture of tree. Tree means Vrikshaha. Okay. Clear? Now we will see some extractive exercise. Question 1. For each of the given questions, choose the option that is its correct answer and write the letter corresponding to the answer in the box provided. MCQ and you have to write options. You have to find correct option and write the option name in given boxes. First one is where does the rabbit live? Where does the rabbit live? The options are in a cage, in a forest, in a house, or in a zoo. So the correct answer is in a forest, option B. Where does the rabbit live? The answer is in a forest. Second question. What scared the rabbit? What scared the rabbit? The options are a fox, a monkey, the falling of a leaf, a lion. What scared the rabbit? The answer is the falling of a leaf. The falling of a leaf. Option C. Question number 3. Why does the rabbit run? Why does the rabbit run? Options are because a fox came there, because a monkey came there, because a lion came there, because he is scared when a leaf falls. Which is the correct answer? D. Option D. Why does the rabbit run? Because he is scared when a leaf falls. Question number 4. What does the rabbit say to the fox? What does the rabbit say to the fox? Options are run because the sky is falling, run because a monkey is coming, run because a tiger is coming, run because a lion is coming. So the correct answer is option A. Run because the sky is falling. Rabbit says to the fox, run because the sky is falling. Now, question number 5. What does the rabbit say to the monkey? What does the rabbit say to the monkey? The same answer, run because the sky is falling. But there are 4 options are here. Run because a hunter is coming, save me from the fox, run because the sky is falling, and run because the lion is coming. But the correct answer is run because the sky is falling. Option C. The rabbit says to the monkey, run because the sky is falling. Okay, now question number 6. Who runs behind the frightened rabbit? Who runs behind the frightened rabbit? The options are the fox and the monkey, the lion, all the animals of the forest. The correct answer is the fox and the monkey. The fox and the monkey are runs behind the frightened rabbit. Okay. Now the question number 7 is Shashakaha kutra nivasati. Shashakaha kutra nivasati. It means where is the rabbit live? Options are Vanam, Jalam, Gruham, Vruksham. The answer is option A, Vanam. Shashakaha kutra nivasati. Answer is Vanam. The next question is Kaha dhavati. Kaha dhavati. It means who is running? The options are Shashakaha, Sihaha, Paranam, Akashaha. Who is running? Answer is A. Shashaka. Rabbit is running, right? Now the next question. Vrukshataha kim patati. Vrukshataha kim patati. The options are Shrugalaha, Vanaraha, Paranam, Akashaha. The answer is Paranam. Vrukshataha kim patati. Answer is Paranam. Paranam patati. It means leaf falls. A leaf falls. And the last one is Shashakaha shayanam karoti. Shashakaha shayanam karoti. Translate into English. Translate this sentence into English. Options are rabbit is running, rabbit is sleeping, rabbit is frightening, and none. Shashakah shayanam karoti. It means rabbit is sleeping. The correct answer is option B. Rabbit is sleeping. Okay. Now, question number 2. Fill in the blanks with appropriate words given in the brackets. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Vane ekah dash nivasati. Vane ekah dash nivasati. The options are Shashakah, Shashakam, Shrugalah. Answer is Shashakah. Vane eka Shashakah nivasati. Second number, Shashakah dash bhavati. Shashakah dash bhavati. Options: Prasannah, Bhitah, Suptah. The correct answer is Bhitah. Shashakah Bhitah bhavati. It means the rabbit is frightened. The rabbit is frightened. Third one is Shrugalah dash. Vadati, bhavati, agachati. The answer is agachati. Shrugalah agachati. It means the fox is coming. Shashakah dash na vadati. Shashakah dash na vadati. Options are Kadapi, Kutrapi, Kimapi. The correct answer is Kimapi. Shashakah Kimapi na vadati. It means the rabbit does not say anything. Sihah dash. Gachati, Hasati, Anudhavati. The right answer is Hasati. Sihah Hasati. It means the lion is laughing. Now the question number 3 is fill in the blanks with appropriate words according to the chapter. According to the chapter. So, write the correct answer from the chapter. Dash patati. Dash patati. Akashah. Akashah patati. Shrugalah dash. Shrugalah dash. Anudhavati. Shrugalah anudhavati. Dash dhavatu. Akashah patati. Shrugal pratah. Akashah. Shrugal pratah. Dhavatu. Akashah patati. और से वानर प्रातः धावतु आकाशः पतति. सिंहः वदति आकाशः डैश वा डैश पतति. सिंह वदति आकाशः डैश वा डैश पतति. सिंहः वदति आकाशः पतति वा कुत्र पतति. And the last one, शशकः वृक्ष समीपम डैश. शशकः वृक्ष समीपम डैश आगच्छति. शशकः वृक्ष समीपम आगच्छति. Okay. Now the fourth question is match the column A and B correctly to make complete sentence. Match the following columns with each other to complete the sentences. First one is Shashakah. Shashakah. Shashakah shayanam karoti. Then Vanar Pratah. Vanar Pratah Anudhavati. Kutra patati. Kutra patati Akashah. Number 2. Akashah. Kutra patati Akashah. Shrugalah. Shrugalah Dhavatu. Shrugalah Dhavatu. So students, this is all about today. We will meet in our next lecture with next chapter. Till then, take care. Thank you.